Are you looking for a genuine Zoeller pump repair part near you? You have certainly reached the right place. We at Pump Products offer a whole range of pump repair parts at the lowest market prices. Our fully stocked inventory consists of replacement and repair parts for all series and models of Zoeller pumps, including the 130 series to 915 series, agricultural series, evaporative cooling series, intermittent high temp series, to Quick John Ultima toilet series. Our top-grade replacement parts are perfectly designed for all kinds of Zoeller pumps, including shallow well jet pumps, Zoeller well pumps, deep well jet pumps, convertible jet pumps, submersible water pumps, irrigation pumps, sewage pumps, grinder pumps, effluent pumps, sump pumps, centrifugal pumps, booster pumps, condensate pumps, explosion-proof pumps, transfer pumps. The Zoeller Pumps replacement and repair kits includes M53 parts, sump pump parts, check valves, pump flanges, sewage pump parts, grinder pump parts, water pump parts, switches, mechanical switches, float switches, case and switch, float rods, float balls, pump motors, pump impellers, mechanical seals, pump seals, shafts, bearings, pump gaskets, wear rings, pump rotating assemblies, and more. Pump Products is a leading Zoeller Pumps online pump repair parts dealer, servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy the repair parts direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Needed now? We offer fast shipping, with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to Zoeller pumps and parts. Visit us at www.pumpproducts.com or call our toll-free number today at 1-800-429-0800.